Hey folks, I want to talk about this awesome e-commerce blog generator. Very, very straightforward tool. You do need a OpenAI API key. Okay, you got to put that in here. I've already saved mine in the system, so I don't have to put it in every time, only once. So there's plenty of YouTube videos out there on how you get an OpenAI API key. So go to YouTube, grab a key from OpenAI, then simply put in a title for your blog. So what this does, this actually generates a blog specific for your e-commerce store. You need to tell the system about your products. The way you do that is you put in a link to your what's called a products sitemap. Again, there's plenty of YouTube videos about how to get your products sitemap from your website. I'm using one from Shopify. Okay. Usually it's just whatever your website address is, backslash products.xml, maybe sitemap.xml. And then you should be able to see some other links where you'll be able to get your products XML like I have here. And you also need your site collection URL as well. All of these will be available on your website. Just depends on what sort of platform you're using for your e-commerce site. I've just taken one from Shopify. Okay. The title for this is a leather wallets store, best Italian leather wallets for 2024. I'm going to hit generate post. Okay. What this does is goes and talks to the various backend systems that we have and generates for you an awesome blog post with all your products, all your product images and links to your products. Okay. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes to write up a blog post based on your site. Okay. It goes and it grabs all the data from your site. While this is running, I'm going to tell you about a couple of other things. If for some reason you get an error, for example, sometimes it can't go and grab the data that it needs from the link that you have supplied here. Well, then if that happens, you click on the content button and then that allows you to actually paste in all the information that would be at that link. So you've got to go and you've got to copy that information from that link from your sitemap, okay? And hit the content tab here and paste it in. And then you can generate your post. You might have to do that with the collections sitemap as well. So if you get an error, it says something like, I can't grab the products from your supplied sitemap, or I can't grab the collections information from the URL, from the link that you've put in. Well, then you've got to go and grab that data from that link, just browse to it on your browser, make sure the link is correct, and paste all the data in here, okay? So I'm going to pause the video. It's not long. It's almost done. Don't worry about all this funny content here. It's all going to get formatted once it's finished so that you can just copy and paste straight into your Shopify store. I'm going to pause the video now. I'm going to wait for this to finish. Then I'll come back. So there you go. It's finished. Only took a couple of minutes. There's a title. And basically, this is your blog post. And now you just have to copy everything from this screen. Includes all the images from your products from your store. How cool is that? And links to those products. Okay, these are links to the products from your store. And it writes about those products. So you really got to have good quality, high images on your website. It takes all of that information and it creates a blog post based on the title and the products of your site. All you have to do is copy and paste this onto your website. So very, very easy to do, very quick, couple of minutes. Within 30 minutes, you'll have 7, 8, 9, 10 blogs to go and put on your website. Okay. Make sure you put in the right links to your products and your site collections. And of course, you need an OpenAI API key that you need to supply. Okay. Hope it helps. And I really hope that you find value out of this awesome e-commerce blog generator. Link is in the description below the video.